Sometimes people will call our office and say, I'd like to meet with one of the attorneys there to review my case. I'm not happy with my attorney. Several things take place when that occurs. Sometimes we may not want to get involved in a case that's already nearing the point of trial because it's almost impossible, if not impossible, to catch up to the case before it's going to come up for trial. The other thing is that depending on who the attorney is, they're reluctant sometimes to give us permission to speak to you, and the state bar disapproves of us talking to someone who's represented by someone else. It's usually not a problem, but it can take a few days to get that permission because we do require there to be a fax or a letter that authorizes us to do that. Once we sit down with you, we're going to tell you straight up we don't like cases that we didn't start from the beginning because we can't go back and correct things that weren't done in the case at the early part. We don't want to take over a case that's so far gone and things haven't been done that we normally do that we would be able to take the case from there and give you a good result. There's no reason for us to finish a case that's not winnable due to what wasn't done before we got into the case. It's just not fair to us, it's not fair to you, and there's no reason for you to pay one fee to one attorney, turn around and pay us to try to win in a case where we assess that you're not going to be able to do that due to something that wasn't done before.